This is an R tutorial. Got 2 minutes? Learn some statistical programming in R. It's easy, free, and fun. This tutorial, how to generate random numbers in R. R has lots of ways to generate random numbers. I'm sure whatever you want to do is possible in R. First, let's clarify exactly what number you want to randomly generate to make sure you're watching the right tutorial. If you've already got a list of numbers you want to randomly pick one of, like here we've got the numbers 10, 20, and 30 in a numeric vector and we want to pick one of them, if that's what you want, you're watching the wrong tutorial. Check out how to use a sample function and sample from a vector, or take a random sample of rows from a data frame in R. If you really want a really random number from out of nowhere, poof, then keep watching. Here we go. All right, so you're walking down the street and an adorable puppy runs up to you with its tail wagging frantically and says to you, "Can you tell me a random number between 0 and 1? What are you going to do?" Use the random uniform function, of course, and here's how it works. There's 3 parameters. The number of random numbers you want, that's n, the minimum, that's 0, and the maximum, that's 1. And there's a random number. Let's generate a random number between -1,000 and +1,000. Let's generate 5 random numbers between 1 and 3. See that? The runIf function created a numeric vector with 5 elements, all between the lower and upper bounds you've set to 1 and 3. Now, depending on what you're doing, you may need to play with the digits parameter. The options function can make the digits equal to however many digits you want to see before and after the decimal point. So here's digits equals 3, and let's run it again. And now here's digits equals 22, and run it one more time. See the difference? Cool. I mean, it really all depends actually what you want to do with R, because R can do lots of things. If you want a random integer between 0 and 100, you might give the sample function the numeric vector of all the numbers between 0 and 100 and sample one of those. Or you can put the runIf function with a minimum of 0 and a maximum of 100 inside of the round function, and it will also give you a random integer between 0 and 100. And now our puppy friend is jumping up and down and wagging his tail like a maniac because you know the answer to his question. This has been a work of R.